this looks pretty straight. At least right now when it's clamped down. Hopefully it's going to stay that way. Otherwise, we'll just have to do it again. Okay, I'm going to remove the clamps. It's still arced, but the eyebrow has come down. It was here, and this is where the paint bubbled. You can still see it. It's not too bad. It's not going to be noticeable when I repaint this, but I'm going to heat these up again and repeat this process. This is the other side. This is where the eyebrow is. It's still visible. So I'm going to clamp that down one more time. It is decreased, but you can still see that there's a curve there. So I'll continue. There is still looks like it's going down here and then straight. It's much better. Might have to do one more turn. Yeah, you can still see the remains of the eyebrow there. That's the other side. It's also much better. Yeah, I think I might do one more turn, and then hopefully it's going to be straight enough. I'm going to push these down, and then I'm going to spray some compressed air to cool it. Try and shape it a bit for the it's starting to be real straight. I'm going to do the same on the other side, and then I'm going to use the wooden bar to clamp it all down final time. So now this has been resting overnight, and we'll see if it's enough. This is just the passenger side this time. I think that the driver's side is starting to look okay. Might want to go over something just here where the eyebrow used to be. This one had a bit more show, although I have done it a few times on this side as well. But we'll just continue going until it's nice and straight. Final one. Drop the one underneath. There we go. It's pretty straight. You can still see it, but as I mentioned, I think it will change once we place these bars inside, and I'm I'm also slightly gonna bend them. You might see it's just a little bit arced, but I'll bend them a bit before I glue them on the inside. So that's hopefully gonna keep everything straight. I think now the eyebrow is gone from here. It's just a bit of a drop on this piece here, but I think that will also be sorted once the fascia is mounted back on the car, and as I said, the reinforcing plate is inside. Next up is the reinforcement, sanding, some repair, and some paint. Okay, so I have fixed the reinforcement plates, the aluminum bars. This is what the aluminum bars looks like from the inside of the fascia. So you're looking at the top of the fascia. This is the front, and the lights sit here. This is the top of the fascia. And you need to tuck the bars good underneath this lip and attach them to the fascia itself. Apparently epoxy doesn't stick too bad to aluminum foil. It's kind of easy to remove. Well, I'll do that. The other side, there's a lot of excess epoxy. Try to fill those holes to make it stick even better, and hopefully that will do the trick. Okay, I have attached the aluminum bars top of the fascia with epoxy. I used aluminum foil to prevent the clamps, from sticking to it, and it seemed to have worked quite well. I'm going to remove that excess foil. But as you can see, the 3mm aluminum bars are stuck inside this lip that runs along the top of the fascia. They're 6 centimeters wide and cut to length, and hopefully will prevent the fascia from warping again. I've done this on both sides, and right now the fascia is as straight as it's gonna be. Same thing on this side. This is the final result. Now it just needs to be painted, and of course some new studs attached and put back on the car.